How to schedule a message in WhatsApp Business. Quick Guide 2026. Script. Want to schedule messages in WhatsApp Business? The app doesn't support direct message scheduling, but you can use the away message feature. Shahar method, use away message scheduling. Open WhatsApp Business. Tap the three dots, top right, settings, tap business tools, tap away message, turn send away message on, tap schedule. Now choose always send, custom schedule, set date and time, outside of business hours. After that, tap away message and type your message. Tap save your message will automatically send during the selected schedule. Important note, this works best for auto replies to customers, business hours responses. If you want to schedule normal chat messages, you'll need third-party apps not officially supported. If you want, I can also show you a manual trick to schedule reminder-style messages for your daily business replies.